Writing in order to communicate effectively involves a set of skills few of us have mastered, and those skills are in high demand in the workplace. A 2018 LinkedIn report found that communication is the #1 skills gap across 100 major US cities. The job platform Monster also found that the ability to communicate effectively is one of the most in-demand soft skills, according to an analysis of some 940,000 job listings. While writing is one form of communication among many, by itself it represents one of the biggest employee skills gaps. Close your eyes and imagine an email or series of emails that cost you more time than necessary because people wrote poorly. Taking the time to revise and write well saves you time and money as well as your company. This workshop will provide you with a series of practical exercises to improve your writing. Most of these exercises focus on revision. The best writers never send their first drafts. The goal of the exercises is to provide you fast and effective ways to identify poor writing habits and fix them. As you begin to use these revision exercises in your daily life, you will find many of your poor writing habits will begin to disappear as you change how you think and begin to communicate more effectively. Feel free to pick and choose what writing habits you want to improve. In general, I encourage you to start your revisions at the paragraph level before you delve into the nuts and bolts of individual sentences. This workshop began as an hour-long writing class for first-year college students in the liberal arts. I developed it to meet a skills gap in the nuts and bolts of writing by using tools found in most word processors. Students found this workshop to be one of the most productive learning experiences they had in college because it focuses on practical skills with measurable results that saved time for them in the long run, especially for writing-based projects. My background is in higher education, where I taught adults for 12 years in a variety of institutions and across departments. I am a published author, and I have served as a copy editor. I'm currently an instructional designer and learning specialist.